Hello all, welcome back to the second part of the access. So I decided not to go into the login screen yet. Uh, Let us continue with the normalization of the table that we have created on the first Microsoft Access tutorial. After learning the theory from the class, you should be able to know that why we need to normalize the table. So here, let us recreate a new one. We will create again a new database. Let us this time click in once, and then let us name this as the title of customer order 3 and okay. So over here, what is our objective is very simple. We will create basically 6 table to the 6 table for the 3 entity, which is customer, product, and order. Customer in the third NF will break down to 2, which is customer and the sales rep. We'll have the did I say 6? It's actually 5. The number 6 table is actually the login table, which we'll do later on. So what I want to say is that we'll have 2 tables set for the customer. One is customer and one is the sales rep. We have the order and order details, and then we have the products. All right. So let us create the first table over here, which is the customer. Should be quite clear right now. I don't have to explain much. In this second tutorial, we just create all the table as needed. All right. Let's just put the name over here as customers. Okay. I want the first field over here, customer ID. We have the customer name, like so, address. We have the sales rep ID. This we put as number because later auto number you want to link to this one, you need it to be number. All right, so that would be the end of this table. Okay, let us create the next table, which is go to create and go to table. Over here you can see it's a new table, and when you click on to the design view, prompt to save. So we'll create the sales rep. I will create the sales rep. Over here we will rename this as sales rep ID, sales rep name, and region. All right. Simple as that. Again, we save. Now we should create before the order, let us create the product first. Product table for the product. So create on this, click on the create and table. You will be prompted with a new table over here. So from this, and just select from here field and click on design view. Let us rename this as products with the S. Okay, for this product, we just want to normalize from what we have earlier. We got the product ID, we got the product name, we got the price. Okay. Of course, price we put in currency. Okay, just make sure everything is correct. Save as usual. Go to create. Now we need to create the order and order details. I will explain to you in the class later, tomorrow, or when we meet. All right. Why is it we have to create something like that? I will explain again to make it clearer, hopefully. So let us create the order first. Orders table. over here, we should put in the order ID, customer ID, and the order date. Over here, we should also change the data type to number. And then this one, we should change to date. All right, simple as that. We save this table like so. We are done. And we create the next table over here to basically put in the order details. All right, let us put in design view, order details. All right, make sure my spelling is correct. Over here is interesting. You will learn later why is it there is another table over here called order details and not straight away order to product. Well, many to many relationship. The answer is very simple. In concept where we learn that order to orders is many to many relationship. In reality, when you want to implement it in this relational database, especially in Access, you need to create a junction table. They call it junction table, which is a bridge between the order and the product. The reason is very simple. Basically, the Access cannot handle many-to-many relationship. To implement it, we need to have a juncture table, which is like a bridge between the order with the product, so that we can create a bridge for many-to-many relationship. We'll see later why is this so, all right? Over here, order ID, product ID. We can see it later, but I just give you a little bit hint over here is that if you see this product to the order, right? If we create direct the link many to many, we will have some issue, because when we create the product, let's say one order can have multiple products, right? And one product can be in multiple orders. What happened is in order, we actually create the order ID as a primary key. So in other word, in its own table, all the primary key will be unique and we cannot repeat the primary key. So let's say order number one, it has multiple products, right? Let's say 10 products for order number one. So if we repeat order number one for 10 times in a row, it will cause error to the database, because order ID itself is a fixed key or primary key. And with that, it will confuse the system and you will have a lot of issue over here. If you can understand my vague explanation. Hopefully in the class later, when we discuss, I can give you a more clearer picture of what is juncture table and the limitation when we want to implement it to reality many-to-many relationship. Over here, let us remove the primary key. You can right-click the row over here and remove the primary key, or you can select from here and remove the primary key. Both it's the same. All right. Quantity, of course, is number. All right. Wait, let me get this right first. Let me just save this product. Okay, everything is done. We have all the 5 tables over here. Okay, that's it for today. For this session, continue on to the next session where we create the relationship. So I will stop this right here.